There's a habit that destroys your confidence quietly, slowly, and almost invisibly. Most people don't even realize they're doing it, but it affects everything: your self-belief, your motivation, your discipline, your goals. And today, I'm going to expose it and help you break it. The biggest confidence killer isn't failure, it's breaking promises to yourself. When you say you'll wake up early, but you don't. When you say you'll go to the gym, but you skip it. When you say you'll start the project, but you keep postponing it. Your brain learns one thing: I don't trust myself. Confidence comes from self-trust, and self-trust comes from keeping your own word. You think skipping one workout doesn't matter, or missing one habit, or ignoring one small promise. But each tiny moment sends a message: I don't follow through. These micro moments compound, but in the wrong direction. Confidence doesn't disappear overnight, it leaks away in small drops. The good news: confidence also grows in small drops. Start building trust with micro promises. Drink one glass of water in the morning. Read one page. Write for 2 minutes. Clean for 5 minutes. Do one exercise. You're not proving you can do big things. You're proving you can keep your word again. That's where confidence starts. Set promises you can't fail. Not I'll read for 30 minutes, but I'll read one sentence. Not I'll meditate every day, but I'll sit in silence for 30 seconds. These tiny commitments create a powerful identity shift. I show up, I follow through, I can trust myself. And confidence grows from there. Your confidence isn't gone, it's just waiting for you to rebuild the trust you've lost. Comment, I'm building my self-trust, if this spoke to you. And if you want more videos on confidence and mindset, hit subscribe and join the journey. You're capable of more than you think. Start with small promises today. See you in the next one.